3.4 Free-falling object. Free-falling object, motion with constant acceleration. In free space, when air resistance is negligible, all objects irrespective of shape, weight, or size fall towards the Earth with the same acceleration. It is known as the acceleration of free fall. For an examples: 1. A ball dropped from a tall building. 2. A leaf falling from a tree. No external force except the gravitational pull. Assume A equals G equals 9.81 meter per second square, in the downward direction. The acceleration due to gravity is positive, false. The equations for motion under uniform acceleration becomes: if the object is thrown upwards, A equals negative G, the equations will become as below. Equation 1, 2, and 3. Important. Sometime we must use quadratic equation shown below to solve a problems. For the next couple of minutes, we will undergo some cases in free-falling object. Case 1, dropping an object from high place. At dropping point, initial velocity is 0. At ground, final velocity can be obtained from equation. Case 2, launching object upward. At launching point, ball is launching with initial velocity, u. At highest point, velocity is 0. Case 3, object moving upward and fall back to the ground. Ball is launching with initial velocity, u. At highest point, velocity is 0. Since it went back to its initial point, the total displacement is 0. Case 4, object launching upward from building and fall back to the ground. Ball is launching with initial velocity, u. At highest point, velocity is 0. Then at ground, final velocity can be obtained from equation. As for the displacement, let's look closely to this case. A is launching point, B is at highest point. At point C, the displacement is 0. Then point D at the ground, the total displacement equal to the height of building, which is negative. Some extra notes. The direction of motion are now along the vertical y-axis. Vector quantities, displacement, initial and final velocity, is positive in an upward motion and negative in a downward motion. So, the free fall acceleration is always negative in an upward or a downward motion. Hope everyone will understand, and thank you.